Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This channel is dedicated to providing actionable information to people about how they can be more financially secure and live the life of their dreams. So let's get to it. Why your family needs income protection. If you have a family, especially if you're just starting your family or have young children, then you know how important of a responsibility it is to make sure your family is financially secure. Your family relies on your income and possibly the income of your spouse or partner for their livelihood. Now, if that income continues to flow in, then the family will be able to thrive and grow. But if something happens to your health, like an injury, a life-threatening illness, or even worse, death, then your family's future is in jeopardy. Now, doing right by your family can often mean making long-term investments to create wealth and prosperity. Now, these can take shape in the form of owning a home. Now, with a home often comes a large mortgage. Our home is usually our largest purchase, our largest asset, and our largest liability. Now, will your family be able to make the mortgage payments if you pass away and they no longer have your income? If they can't make the payments on time, will the bank take their home away from them? Now, how would your family's life change from a financial standpoint if you passed away and your income was not protected? Should your family even have to worry about bills and finances when they should be mourning your loss? Now, these are all very important questions that leaders of responsible young families have to ask themselves if they want to ensure that their families remain financially stable. Whether we want to admit it or not, this could be a huge problem that could permanently alter the destiny of our family if it's not dealt with. Now, how can term life insurance be used to resolve this problem? Young families often have a lot of liabilities in the form of large debts, such as mortgages, credit cards, car loans, student loans. Now, in order to cover those liabilities, if we die, we need a family life insurance policy that is going to pay a large death benefit. Also, because we're young and earning money regularly, replacing that income for 10 years or until the age of 65 is probably going to require a large amount of money to be paid out when we pass away as well. Now, a lot of forms of life insurance, such as permanent life insurance and whole life insurance, can have very expensive premiums. And young families are often going to need over $1 million worth of family life insurance coverage to be able to be properly protected. So owning a whole life insurance policy is not going to be feasible for most Canadians in this situation. Now, on the other hand, term life insurance is the ideal solution. It's very affordable. The premiums will never increase until the term is expired, which can be decades later. And the death benefit can be millions of dollars paid out tax-free lump sum to your family if need be. Family life insurance steps in when you no longer can to make sure that your family has what it needs to prosper, usually at a time when they need it the most. In fact, term life insurance is so affordable that I truly believe that it would be irresponsible for a young family to not have one or both heads of the family covered. Now, for a small monthly premium, you can rest assured that your family's financial stability is virtually guaranteed. A large tax-free death benefit is going to be paid out to your family if you pass away. Now, that money can be used to pay the mortgage, replace your income for years, pay off all your debts, and even put your kids through college. Basically, provide everything that your income was supposed to be providing had you not passed away. You can sleep soundly knowing that your family won't have to declare bankruptcy or have their house foreclosed on if you're not around. Term family life insurance can't replace you, but it is designed to replace your income and to do it in a way that's very affordable. So how affordable is term life insurance anyway? Well, if you're a 35-year-old male who doesn't smoke and is in reasonable health, you could own $1 million life insurance policy for less than $40 a month. And if you're a 35-year-old female who doesn't smoke and also wants to own $1 million life insurance policy, you can own one for less than $31 a month. But what you really are going to be owning once you put those policies in place is peace of mind. And that's something that you can't put a price tag on. Thanks for joining in, guys. If you got any value out of this video, please give us a like and subscribe so that when we make more useful content like this, you'll be notified immediately. Thanks again.